Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create shadow quiz videos using Canva. So let's get started. At first, open Canva and select the video format. You can go with mobile or the desktop version. Start with a blank canvas for the background. We will use pink, but feel free to choose any color that fits your theme. Now type your quiz question related to the shadow image you will be using. Choose a bold font, add color, and apply some effects. You can even animate the text. I'll be using the typewriter animation for this tutorial. Next, either add a picture from the element section or upload your own. To animate the image, I suggest using the breath animation for a subtle effect. Once that's done, duplicate the scene. In the second scene, update the text with the answer to the shadow quiz. To create the shadow effect on the image, select the image, go to Edit Image, then apply the duotone effect from FX. Choose the cherry preset and adjust the highlights and the shadow to black. We are almost done. For more engagement, you can add a countdown timer to the question scene. Finally, to create a smooth transition between the two scenes, click between them and apply the match and move transition. This will add a seamless animation effect. That's it. You know how to create shadow quiz videos on Canva. With a bit of practice, you will be able to create even more impressive animation. You can see here I am making another one here. So simply you can make your own. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe or share for more content like this. Thanks for watching.